Woo! What is happening, Magnusites? Let's check this game out here. Let's check this out. It's called Kingdom Come Deliverance, a Blacksmith's Tale. I know we're making games about blacksmiths. Let's check this out.
Your Graces, I have to tell you in all seriousness that this land of ours is in the shit. Deep fucking shit.
Cousin?
Fuck the one who did this to you.
I almost looked around.
I remember his face. I'll find him.
I am Sir Markwart von Aulitz. I come in the name of Sigismund of Luxembourg, King of Hungary and Croatia, to restore order in the name of his brother, King Wenceslaus IV.
Sigismund raided us. It seems that Kuttenberg silver wasn't enough for him and he wanted ours too.
You think we're next in line?
Maybe.
You never want to forget this. The time has come for those whoresons to pay for what they did to us.
Definitely looks good.
Right back to mama, boy!
Wow. Reminds me of Skyrim, the way they fight. But like, these graphics are good. If that's really how it looks. Wow. Holy shit. Wow, this looks good. Man. Crisp as hell.
You didn't want me fighting. Now look at me. Standing up to evil isn't the same as sowing its seeds. You did what was right.
Kingdom Come Deliverance. Nice. Nice. February 13th. That's good, I know that. Thrown by tragic events into the middle of a bloody war, a simple blacksmith's son must become a soldier, avenge the death of his parents, and build a new life in a ravaged world. Well, he should be able to make his own weapons since he's a blacksmith. That'd be a cool twist on it. Like, you get the items you need, and you just ting ting ting. You ain't gotta go to the blacksmith enough, and you are a blacksmith, so you should be able to make them yourself on the run. That'd be the shit right there. Interesting. All right, looks worth getting to me. Post comments down below. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you did not. You can always kiss my black derriere. You know that. 10 million subscribers. Woo!